Come on, Sam.
Oi, this is gonna fucking break your dickheads.
Don't jump. Everyone jump.
White boys can't jump.
Push.
Wait, I've got to go out backwards. Wait, hang on, I've got to go out backwards. Right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, struggling.
That's the one with their own beach and shit.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Okay.
I mean, we can do it. Me and Betty can fit up here.
Why would you make that hard for yourself?
You back there?
Hola. Hello. Tight and nicely.
I heard about the game, grab a car.
Vietnamese bathroom. That's lovely. This is okay.
Down is usually down.
We're good?
Not too bad.
Is that one better?
It's not as much power in the scale. I don't know how fast I'm driving. Yeah, don't show up at all. It's not enough power.
See, it's still more expensive than anywhere else.
So yeah, we're currently following this guy. He's gonna show us a motorbike shop of some sort. See if we can find anything.
Does it even seem to... Are you okay? Buying bikes and shit.
Buying bikes.
Wait,
buying tits.
Where did the bike?
Where are the tits?
Where are the tits?
Oh. Excuse me, it's not my bike because I can't drive a manual. Woo, 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 woo. So, Killian, how do you feel about today's events?
Hey, come here. Yeah, it's actually quite fun. But I just hope that my scooter got enough power. And I'm not like,
Yeah, no,
like
we're going to be behind like...
Hey guys, hey, whoa, hey. We need walkie-talkies, guys.
Oh! Walkie-talkies. Okay. Where did you go?
Oh, I went driving in the city.
Yeah, you just
Fucking
went...
scared.
You just went for a little drive around?
Yeah.
So,
I'm
what are you
getting a
doing?
semi.
You're going to get a semi?
Yeah.
You got a semi?
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was all around.
Wait, look at that. It's
sorry เป็นเสื้อ mucha gracia okay one more Spain yes Spain yeah mucha gracia
Oh, Swedish.
yeah
Tack så mycket.
Tack så mycket.
Oh shit.
Tack så mycket.
Oh yeah, very nice. Hey.
Yeah, thank you.
He's like, tack så mycket.
mucho gracias
Oh man, I'm getting a little drunk.
Boy, these guys are sick. These guys are so sick. It's supposed to be sweet potato. Yeah, it's supposed to be like deep fried sweet potato, but it's fuck, it's purple. So I don't know what kind of fucking potato it is. I don't
Wow. How long have you been doing this? Oh shit. How long have you guys been drinking?
okay come back
Only me team drinking.
everything no
Merci. Merci.
ขอบใจหลายเลยsorry ขอบใจหลายนะเสีย thank you from เรา
disappear like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me.
Yeah, innit? Now he's a mechanic. He's looking for his apprenticeship. He's like, yeah, I want to be an apprentice in Sapa, Vietnam.
Faster than this.
It's the same line. So the bike hasn't been accelerating. So I don't know if I've either just bought a new bike, or I've either just bought a new engine, or he's doing something to my bike and he said to come back in 4 hours. So that's basically what's going on right now.
Sweet.
Fuck it.
How much did it cost?
600. 4 hours. How much did it cost? It cost me 4 hours of my life. I think he's gonna put a new engine in. So I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. But he's like, yeah, this is too small. He's gonna
Yeah, but I don't, because you're pointing at Killian, so you might take apart Killian's and put it in.
I don't think so.
I just went here to go to the camera. Hello.
Hello.
I don't know. I hope not.
But